So here's how to enable Vibrate on Ring on your iPhone, basically making your phone vibrate as it rings during incoming calls. So for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for other iPhones, especially the ones running iOS 16. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go to sounds and haptics, tap on that. Under sound and haptics, tap on ringtone. Now, it doesn't matter if your phone is in silent mode or if it's in ring mode, the vibration under ringtone is what is going to vibrate. So tap on that, and then if it's set to none, it means your phone will not vibrate. So you can choose either the default vibration pattern, or you can choose one of these other vibration patterns that are available in your phone. If you want to, you can create a new vibration. These are some that I created. You can choose either of those. So as long as you've chosen any other option besides none, you should have your phone vibrating when it rings during an incoming call. And that is whether you're on silent mode or not, it's going to vibrate. So it could be on ringer like that, or it could be in silent mode. Your phone will vibrate during an incoming call. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.